Hi guys, it's Rachel. I'm back again. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm just quickly doing another video right after my last video. This is the one Christmas journal that I will have available in my shop. So I did find another Reader's Digest book. I found two when I went to the antique market, and I found also the grain sacks. And this one is a beautiful pale pink. And I just love it. And I did have in mind, when I finished my last round of journals that I did, I had in mind to use this gorgeous Stamperia Cat Christmas from the Christmas pack. So it's the only one I have, and it's just one of my favorites, and I love it. So I didn't do anything again here because this paper is so pretty, and I just thought you could put a label there or flip up or something like that, but I thought I'd leave that. I just put this pretty Nostalgia Graphic Land journaling card in there because it just goes well with the colours, and just super cute images in this one. The front page, the first page of the book, just little things here and there. Just like I normally do. One of my printables. I've been enjoying making these big pockets. I love that. I think this comes from the Graphics Fairy, and I just made a journaling card and a little bit of Sarah's printable. We don't throw anything out anymore, especially now that we've seen Jessica's video. We'll throw even less out. I love that old image. Lovely recipe there. And another, where did that image come from? That's a public domain image. Can't remember. Maybe vintage.org or something like that. A tag and a pocket. Carta Paglia. Beautiful digital curio paper. And then another pocket here with a tag that I made. Some of the images from the book. This book didn't have as many nice images that I like, so I had to search for them. Gorgeous old postcard, recipe. I put a lot of cat images in this one because of the cover. One of my postcards from my digital, I just made a journaling spot. And just some little fussy cut things. Another gorgeous pussycat. The title page of the book. And this one was 1964. And then look at this gorgeous photo. I love that. It's so cute. Doily. And I did some Franken paper because I wanted to use these gorgeous pieces of paper. Just a little pocket that I made, again with that image there in a smaller version and a tag. And then this is I love this glassine bag, how this turned out. This is from Digital Curio. I think that's right. And then this is just a tag I made. And I put that in the pocket. I thought that looked really nice in there. And I love these colours with this background. This is one of my printables. And another one of my printables in a tuck spot. I'll just hold that down so it doesn't bend. Some very old geography paper. Lovely Christmas image from Pixabay. That's from the original book. And then this is Sarah's gorgeous digital. How lovely. Imagine that with some writing on there. This is just gorgeous. One of my tags that I made the other day with Sarah's digital and some Stamperia paper in a pocket. It's a huge tag. I like the really big tags. Beautiful old Chris 1807, that image. Just a tuck spot here with the journaling card. Some digital curio paper. A tuck spot. That cute cat. Some Stamperia. Lovely. Oh, this is Jessica paper again. I know I keep saying it. Cat with the sleigh, one of my other favourite antique images, and it just flips out. So this is a flip out. I love that. And you could, I didn't actually do it, but you could clip the edges if you want them to be rounded. Silent Night music paper. Tuck spot with a tag. Here comes another tuck spot. So many tuck spots, and these went a bit crazy. Some old book page with gorgeous images. Some more pussycats. Now this is one of those little bifolds. I've stitched it so you could tuck something in there, and that's just a tuck spot. Just checking that you can see, guys. I think that was an old postcard image. little pocket that I made, and a really cute tag. It's one of my faves. Love that. And then some more putty cats. Nice big Stamperia journaling card. And then, oh look, 2 pockets, one after the other. Beautiful Virgin Mary, and another journaling card and a pocket. Some birdies, pussycats. It's my digital, and I put another pocket. I really went crazy in that. There's that image again, so you can use that image everywhere, and it's just a little, just to put something in the pocket. And here's another pocket. Beautiful digital Curio paper, cute pussycat tag or journaling card, whatever you like. Pixabay image, antique book, or vintage book I should say. It's not antique. Another tuck spot with a card, and I use that gorgeous baker's twine with the gold through it. More old book. That's so cute. I think that came from, I want to say Graphics Fairy, but I could be wrong. Another tuck spot with a tag. You know, you use so many things from so many different places, you just forget where they come from. Okay, so this is one of my little thingamajiggy things inspired by Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah that I made the other day. So this has a pocket here. You can do writing there, and it's a pocket behind, and I've stitched it around. Let me see. Yes, I stitched it around the 3 sides. So if you make those, I do recommend stitching them into your books. I mean, you can glue them in, and I have glued them in before, but I think they'd be more stable if they're stitched in. Oh, I glued that in, huh? Oh, I know why I glued that one, because I recommend that you stitch it in, but I didn't stitch this one in because my paper went right to the edge. That's why I couldn't stitch it. Otherwise, I would have stitched down the paper. Excuse me. Tuck spot here, some holly, one of Sarah's printables. I love that doily for you to play with. A tuck spot, and then this is the back. So this is a pocket here, has a nice big tag in it that I made, and then ta-da, you flip it up, and I'm going to do more of those. They're really cool. And then you've got a pocket there as well. So that is that journal. I will be putting it in my shop sometime today, I hope. And I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.